If you like chili crisp, you are gonna love chili crisp hummus. This chili crisp hummus packs umami and fiber and protein into every bite. It is absolutely delicious and so easy to make in the food processor. I'm using my homemade chili crisp to make this, but you can use any store-bought chili crisp if you like to. If you do want to use my homemade chili crisp, I'll leave a link to that recipe in the description. There's really not that much to say about chili crisp hummus. It's a great dip, it's a great spread for sandwiches or wraps, and it's super easy to make in the food processor. Let's do it! Start by draining a can of chickpeas, but don't pour that liquid down the drain. That chickpea liquid is called aquafaba, and we're gonna use some of it in the recipe, and then I recommend you save the rest of it because it makes a great vegan egg replacer in baking. 3 tablespoons of aquafaba is 1 egg, and you can use it to replace up to 2 eggs in a recipe. Pour those drained chickpeas into the food processor, then add some tahini. Make sure that you stir your tahini really well before you measure it. Some of that reserved chickpea liquid, lemon juice, fresh garlic, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and then we're gonna add the chili crisp. If you're somewhat heat averse, I would use a mild chili crisp and start with 1 tablespoon. If you like things spicy, choose a hotter chili crisp and go with 2 tablespoons. You can kind of adjust the heat to taste that way. Remember that you can always add more chili crisp, but you can't take away. So I recommend starting with less and then tasting and adjusting as you go. Just blend in between additions. Process this mixture until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then top it with even more delicious, crunchy chili crisp so you can swirl some into every bite. And then your chili crisp hummus is ready. I love serving this with pita chips and carrots for dipping, and it's great with cucumber too, but we were out of cucumber today. But of course, you can dip anything in this that you would dip in regular hummus. It's just more delicious. Leftover chili crisp hummus will keep for 3 to 5 days in a closed container in the fridge. You can also freeze it for up to 3 months in a freezer-safe container. Just thaw it overnight in the fridge and then stir it really well before you use it. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this chili crisp hummus. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!